Okay, hello students. Today we start the another synthetic reagent is ethyl acetoacetate. Ethyl acetoacetate, we're going to discuss how ethyl acetoacetate will synthesized and what are their applications. This compound, this molecule used to form the different kind of compounds due to their reactive nature. You already know what is ethyl acetoacetate. There is a CH3 C double bond O OAT. Okay, so this group is aceto group. Up to this is the acetate. So ethyl acetoacetate is the compound. Okay, we here use ethyl acetoacetate. So you already know this ethyl acetoacetate also having the CH2 group we called active methylene carbon, active methylene group, active methylene group. This active methylene group has two hydrogens, and both the hydrogens are acidic. That means this carbon has tendency to lose the protons two times and formation of two times carbanion on the carbon. Again, when we use this molecule, the ester group will hydrolyzed into carboxylic acid COH and will remove in the form of CO2. That means it will converted into acid and then remove. That means this group we can easily remove from this molecule. So basically in your compounds which are given to synthesize, this part is remains and this part is coming from the ethyl acetoacetate molecules. Here are two times carbanions are formed. That means here we introduce two types of substituent, maybe alkyl, maybe acyl group or any kind of substituent, but we can introduce two substituent here because two protons are available and we can remove two protons by using the base. So two times carbanions are formed, two times substitution is possible and this group will remove after hydrolysis in the form of CO2. So finally here the hydrogen is placed instead of this group and these two hydrogens are lost. So one hydrogen is coming, means basically if any molecule is given to you, so CH is the part of this starting molecule and these two lines means we are lost the two protons and we make here substitution. So two substitution can attach here. So which type of molecule which is given to synthesize, then you decide. You use the starting material ethyl acetoacetate or you can use the starting material malonic ester, it depending on which kind of molecule is given to synthesize. Okay, so first of all this is the structure. We are going to first know what is the synthesis of this molecule, how this molecule will synthesize. You already know the Claisen condensation reaction, and in Claisen condensation reaction beta ketoester is the product. Here also this is alpha, this one is the beta. At beta position there is a ketonic functional group, there is a ester, that means it is nothing but the beta ketoester. And how they synthesize, it will synthesize using Claisen condensation reaction, means when two ethyl acetate condense together in presence of base from the ethyl acetoacetate. So we are going to discuss first synthesis of ethyl acetoacetate. So what is the synthesis? So here we need ethyl acetate, two molecules of ethyl acetate in presence of NaOAT is the base. In presence of NaOAT is the base, we get CH3 C double bond O, CH2 C double bond OAT, means ethyl acetoacetate is the product. Ethyl acetoacetate is the product formed during this reaction. Okay, so what is the mechanism? You already know the mechanism of this Claisen condensation reaction. So in a mechanism, what is the first step? First step is carbanion. We have the two molecules. We take one molecule here, CH3 C double bond OAT. This will reacted with the base NaOH. So sorry, NaOAT or NaOH. So what is the role of base? Base use here to abstract the proton, and here formation of carbanion CH2 minus C double bond OAT, and you know carbanion will convert it into enolate in via the stabilization. You better know the structure of it. Okay, both are reactive species, both are nucleophilic species. You can either use this one or this one, both are same. After finish this first step, what is the second step? Take a second molecule CH3 C double bond OAT, plus you can use one of this form. Suppose you use here CH2 minus C double bond OAT, the negative charge will attack on carbonyl carbon. Here is a delocalization. When here is a delocalization, after this we getting this one. Here is a OAT CH2 C double bond OAT, CH2 C double bond OAT. What next? This comes and to remove the OAT group. So after loss of ATO minus, what is the resulting? Here is a CH3 C double bond O, CH2 C double bond OAT. So it is ethyl acetoacetate, ethyl acetoacetate. So this way you can do the mechanism of ethyl acetoacetate. You can use the ethyl acetoacetate. This is the mechanism. Okay, so once we synthesize ethyl acetoacetate, then we discuss the reactivity of ethyl acetoacetate. Why ethyl acetoacetate is more reactive? So we are going to discuss their structure. We already discussed the malonic ester. So ethyl acetoacetate CH2 C double bond OAT. This is the active methylene carbon. So this active methylene carbon, when lost the proton, formation of carbanion, it has tendency to form the 2 times carbanion. Once carbanion is formed, this carbanion is stable due to delocalization. O negative, here is a double bond CH C double bond OAT. Again it will back, comes here and goes another side. So after this CH3 C double bond O, CH, it back comes here. We getting CH3 C double bond O, CH negative C double bond OAT. Means this is the stable carbanion, and we can use this stable carbanion for the synthesis of other substituents. So basically up to this part is used, or this part is remains in a product, and this will remove in the form of CO2, hydrolyze first, and after decarboxylation it will remove from the starting molecule. So only this part is remains in the product, which is given to synthesize. Product is already given to you, synthesize this one. How you start the planning of this synthesis. So this way you can write their structure. You can plan the synthesis of any kind of molecule which is asked to synthesize using this ethyl acetoacetate. After this stabilization, this carbon is reactive because it has tendency to carbanion. This center is nucleophile. Here 2 times of nucleophilic carbanions are possible. Means here 2 electrophiles, same or different kind of electrophile, will attach to this center. When 2 different or same substituent will attach to this center, means this center undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction. Means ethyl acetoacetate provide the nucleophile, and you can use any electrophilic reagent, so electrophile will attach to this position. How it? We just write generally here. CH3 C double bond O, CH2 C double bond OAT. Okay, so I just write a sequence of reagent. Suppose here NaOAT used as a base. First reagent is required base. Second, use here alkyl halide. Second, use here alkyl halide because alkyl halide provide the electrophile Rx. Third is H plus H2O. It is required for hydrolysis. And fourth condition is heating, which used as a minus CO2. So here only monoalkylation is possible because one time base is used and one alkyl halide is used. But suppose here use NaOAT twice, here use twice Rx, third is H plus H2O, fourth one is heating minus CO2. So when what happen first, suppose NaOAT is used, so you make a carbanion first. आधी तुम्ही carbanion तयार करणार. ओके, तयार केला carbanion, CH negative C double bond OAT. सेकंड रिएजंट काय यूज करणार, RX. मग हे निगेटिव्हचा अटॅक कोणावरती होईल, R वरती होईल जो दिलेला असेल आणि हा X निघून जाईल. तो निघाल्यानंतर काय मिळेल, CH3 C double bond O CHR C double bond OAT. थर्ड रिएजंट काय दिलेला आहे, H plus H2O. H plus H2O means this will hydrolyzed. This will hydrolyze. So CH3 C double bond O CHR C double bond OH. It converted into acid. What is the fourth? Fourth is given heating minus CO2. So here decarboxylation. So hydrogen is transferred here and this remove as a CO2. So this CH becomes CH2. So CH3 C double bond O. Here is the CH converts into CH2R. CH2R. It is a monoalkylation reaction. It is a monoalkylation process. Okay. If you use this pathway, so after this you repeat the first step again. After this you repeat the first step. Again you do the formation of carbanion. Again react with second molecule of Rx. Then do the hydrolysis and then decarboxylation. So in that case we getting the product CH3 C double bond O CHRR. This H is coming from decarboxylation and there are two alkyl group are introduced. That means two alkyl groups are introduced on the place of these two hydrogens. ह्या दोन हायड्रोजनच्या जागी दोन अल्किल ग्रुप इंट्रोड्यूस झाले. हा जो एक H आहे हा डिकार्बोक्सिलेशनचा आहे. इथं एकच आपण इंट्रोड्यूस केला होता म्हणून एक हायड्रोजन ऑलरेडी प्रेझेंट होता, दुसरा कार्बोक्सिलेशन डिकार्बोक्सिलेशन मधून आला म्हणून इथं CH2 तयार झाला. सो मोनोअल्कायलेशन अँड डायअल्कायलेशन. दिस वे यू कॅन फॉर्म the various synthetic compounds. We are going to discuss one by one. So first synthesis which is given to you is synthesis of 3-ethyl-2-pentanone. First synthesis which is given is 3-ethyl-2-pentanone. 3-ethyl-2-pentanone is given, is asked to you. So write the structure of this. Pentanone means 5 carbons. Okay. There are 2 position ketone group, 3 position 1, 2. This one is 3 C2H5. So just balance the other valencies. This compound is asked to you. So here what you do first, so planning the synthesis first. You already know this part is coming from ethyl acetate. H is after decarboxylation. These twos are the substituent. 2 alkyl groups are introduced, means we use the second this pathway, dialkylation pathway, because 2 alkyl groups are introduced. So how you start this synthesis? Take a ethyl acetoacetate. Take a ethyl acetoacetate, use base NaOAT. First there is a formation of carbanion. Formation of carbanion. Then do the alkylation. The alkyl group is given C2H5. So you can use CH3 CH2Br. RX च्या जागेवर आता तुम्ही काय वापरणार, इथिल ब्रोमाइड. So हा इथं अटॅक करणार, याला काढून टाकणार. काय मिळेल तुम्हाला? CH3 C डबल बॉन्ड O CH हा C2H5 आला, C डबल बॉन्ड OAT ॲज इट इज आहे. आता दोन अल्किल ग्रुप इंट्रोड्यूस केले म्हणजे परत बेस यूज करायचा NaOAT. This base will abstract this proton, so you can write this proton here. So OAT minus abstract this one. Again formation of carbanion, second carbanion. So use second alkyl. Second alkyl is again same ethyl group, so you can use another ethyl bromide. If second alkyl is different, you can use another alkyl halide. So again this will attack here, remove the Br. So after this what happen? CH3 C double bond O C2H5 there, C2H5 C double bond OAT, C double bond OAT. What next? Hydrolysis, H plus H2O, hydrolysis. So after hydrolysis, ester group converted into acid, C2H5, C2H5, C double bond OH. What next? Just heat minus CO2. So when minus CO2, the hydrogen is transferred here. Hydrogen is transferred here. So after this hydrogen transformation, what remaining? CH3 C double bond O CH. So you can write one of the larger group in both are same. So ethyl group write in a straight chain. So C double bond O CH3 C double bond O CH C2H5 means CH2 CH3, and this is the substituent. So you getting this product. You getting this product. This way you can write the mechanism of this molecule. So it is the dialkylation. Monoalkylation also given. Suppose here CH3 is given, 3-methyl 2-pentanone is given. Then how you design, how you plan the synthesis? This way. First time you do what? Ethyl bromide. Second time you need here CH3Br. So here just CH3 group. Here is a CH3 group, and in your product there is a CH3. Means same mechanism. If two alkyls are same or different, then decide. First larger alkyl group is introduced, then smaller. आधी larger introduce करायचा मग smaller. जर दोघं different असतील, दोघं same असतील तर no problem. Okay. This way you can synthesize various starting material using this pathway. So 3-methyl 2-hexanone. Next is all are same, 3-methyl 2-hexanone. आता काय म्हटलंय? 3-methyl 2-hexanone. So first of all draw the structure. Hexanone means 6 carbon. On third position there is a methyl group. On second position there is a ketonic group. So just balance the other valencies. So you know this is the part coming from ethyl acetoacetate. So CH3 and propyl, there are two groups are introduced on active methylene carbon. So here I just write the reagent which are used. First we use NaOAT. Second we use propyl bromide, N-propyl bromide. Okay, you write product of this. Second again you need NaOAT. Here use CH3Br, write their product here. Third is hydrolysis, H plus H2O, write their product. Last one, heating CO2, write the product. Okay. दिसतंय सगळ्यांना? Okay, so in given target compound which is already given to you, what is the first step? There is a NaOH is given and N-propyl bromide is given. So first of all you do the formation of carbanion, then do the first alkylation with the N-propyl bromide, and you write here product CH3 C double bond O C H C double bond OAT, and here you attach CH2 CH2 CH3. It is a mono alkylation. Then again do the second carbanion formation, and this will react with methyl group. So here formation of CH3 C double bond O. So here I just write CH3 above because it is a short smaller, CH2 CH2 CH3, and here C double bond OAT, C double bond OAT. After this you do the hydrolysis here, means ester group converted into acid. So CH3 C double bond O, CH3, here CH2 CH2 CH3, and ester converted into carboxylic acid. And last there is a decarboxylation, means hydrogen is transferred here and you getting this product, this way you just try to write the mechanism, try to write directly product. So already in a book there are different products are given, but I just give us some example here. You try to synthesize, first is, it is for your homework, CH3 C double bond O CH CH2 CH2 CH3, and here is C2H5, C2H5. Second, CH3 C double bond O CH, okay, CH2 PH, and here is the CH3. These two example you solve at home and send it to me on our organic chemistry group. Okay, send it on organic chemistry group, not a departmental group. Okay, so you solve these two. Okay, in next lecture we're going to discuss some other applications, means formation of cyclo group is introduced, cyclic group is introduced, means two-time alkylation, alkylation, but the alkyl halide means dialkyl halide is used. So that time there is a formation of cyclic ring on this carbon, on this active methylene carbon. We also discuss some acylations. So in next lecture we are going to discuss that, and then we are going to discuss two remaining Wittig reagent which is also synthetically useful. So today we stop here. You do the practice, try to write these two synthesis and send it back to the group. Okay, thank you.